Hi, friends. It's the kids' word quiz. Today is about birds. Listen to 3 hints and guess. First question. It pecks at trees with its beak. It eats insects living inside tree trunks. It makes a rapid drumming sound on wood. The answer is woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks at trees with its beak to catch insects hiding inside. Its rapid drumming on wood makes a loud, distinct sound. A woodpecker can peck at trees more than 10,000 times in a single day. Second question. It's often seen near the seashore. It makes a loud squawking call. It swoops down to snatch food. The answer is seagull. The seagull is often seen near seashores and harbors. It makes a loud squawking call. A seagull can swoop in and snatch food right out of someone's hand in an instant. Third question. Its feathers are black and white. It's known for liking shiny objects. It builds a large nest high in a tree. The answer is magpie. The magpie has black and white feathers and builds a large nest high in a tree. It's famous for supposedly loving shiny objects. Magpies are one of the few animals known to recognize themselves in a mirror. Fourth question. It spreads its colorful tail like a fan. Its tail has eye-shaped patterns. The male is far more colorful than the female. The answer is peacock. The peacock spreads its colorful tail feathers open like a fan. Its tail is covered with eye-shaped patterns. A male peacock's tail feathers can grow even longer than its own body. Fifth question. It's mostly active at night. It can turn its head very far around. It makes a deep hooting sound. The answer is owl. The owl is mostly active at night and flies almost silently. It can turn its head very far around to see behind it. An owl can rotate its neck up to 270 degrees. Sixth question. It can copy human speech. It has brightly colored feathers. It has a thick, curved beak. The answer is parrot. The parrot can listen to human speech and copy it back. It has brightly colored feathers and a thick, curved beak. Some parrots live for decades and can remember hundreds of words. Seventh question. It soars very high in the sky. Its claws are extremely sharp. Its eyesight is incredibly powerful. The answer is eagle. The eagle is a large bird that soars high and catches prey with its sharp claws. Its eyesight is so powerful that it can spot prey from far away. An eagle's eyesight is said to be several times sharper than a human's. Eighth question. It's small with brownish feathers. It's often seen near where people live. It chirps a familiar tweet sound. The answer is sparrow. The sparrow is a small bird with brownish feathers. It's commonly seen near towns and cities where people live. Sparrows often spend their whole lives close to where they were born. Ninth question. It's the biggest avian species alive today. It has wings but cannot fly. Its long legs let it run incredibly fast. The answer is ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It has wings but can't fly. Instead, it runs incredibly fast. An ostrich can run at speeds of more than 70 kilometers per hour. 10th question. Its neck is long and gracefully curved. Its whole body is covered in white feathers. It glides gracefully across lakes and rivers. The answer is swan. The swan has a long, gracefully curved neck and pure white feathers. It glides elegantly across lakes and rivers. A pair of swans often stays together for life. You did great today! See you next quiz. Bye!